Oh,
Here.
I want to start. Oh, is there shit talking in this mode?
I don't
In
think.
this game? They're missing out on a lot of money. We can't show our characters and our guns and our skins. We're missing out on a lot of money. Here we go. Bomb Rush, best of 3, Summit. Your team, the enemy team, round 1. Hey, you're a bot, Zozo. Alex, who's a bot. Yo, we got a bot team over there. Hey, you see, they ain't talking shit. Ain't nobody talking.
You gotta play like 10 games before you even get like in the real game. Then
Who do I play as? Demos?
I don't know anyone yet, dude. I just go
Whoa,
with the
whoa,
flow.
whoa! I'm a little robot. I'm a little robot. I'm going underneath this crack. Oh, enemy scanned by a drone. That's not good. I just want to go fight.
Hey, well, Danny, what up, baby?
That's how Mark. Okay. I don't like. How do I get out of this bot? I'm done with this bot, man. Give me the gun. Come on. Yeah, game time, baby. Ooh.
Is this going to be long?
Gotta do a couple little buttons. A little different. How do I sprint? What the hell? Put that shit away. We gotta fix that. Hey, where they at though? Where's my shoe button?
Changing mag.
Why is my shit going DPS while I shoot? I don't like that. How do you fix that?
I told you I wanted to go through the settings, dude.
Nah, I think I know what it is.
Activating code.
What it is? It's my
Let's see, here to
ADS.
the right.
You've been spotted.
I'm gonna
It's
try.
the
The enemy's
display alternate fire buttons. Yeah, that's what I needed. How do I get that other fire button off? I don't want it.
Oh, I ran over a trap.
You alright?
Don't let the enemy stop it.
Yeah, my boy be leaning when. Oh, whoa, whoa! Put that away, man. Hey, my boy be pulling out shit. I don't want to pull out. You watching me, Iron?
30 more seconds.
Watch this. Ooh. Ooh. Talking about
Hey, what
GG's.
up, bro? Yeah, who's all in here? Hello? Woo! We in here, Chet?
There you go, Tyler. There you go, Tyler. Get some, Ty. I don't know.
Don't let them catch you napping.
I'm just hyping the team up. You know what I'm
Do
saying?
not hesitate to improvise if the stitch warrants.
Hey, fuck you. I mean, alright, that's cool.
What is this dude, chat? What is this dude, chat?
How do I get rid of this?
Magpie, what is that,
Deployed
chat?
and ready to go. Reloading, cover me.
10 seconds of prep time remaining.
No, probably not, Michael. This just came out today. I'm gonna be in this shit.
Enemies on their way. Defend the bomb site.
Alright, we're on the right.
Hey, let me just shoot a fool. Yeah, bust that shit down. Yeah, fuck that wall. 1v4. Come on. Where they at? Ah. Let me get some right now. Come on.
Activated device.
Why ain't we shooting no one? Fuck Call of Duty. Oh, what's up? What's up? Oh, Call of Duty bullshit. It's some Call of Duty bullshit. Hey, what up? What up? No, wrong one. Wrong one. Ooh, they mad at me. Ooh, they mad at me. Okay. Okay. Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it. seen it.
Stop, foul! Take some point.
Reloading.
Oh! I'm starting to feel it.
You like it?
I'm starting to feel it. I'm starting to feel it.
I gotta get my homie on because I bought the shit to get all the people. I just don't want to waste it and find the wrong people. So he has to tell me what attachments for each class and what character to buy and shit.
Hey, yo, chill, man. Chill, man. Chill, man. Like, where'd you go?
That was it. Ready up.
You in my fire team? You in my fire team, boy?
If it goes 2-0, we win. If it goes 1-1, then you play another.
Hey, man.
But you have to play 10 of these before you can do ranked. Or
I'm just trying to make it, man.
keep adjusting your buttons. You got 10 games of about everything.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, cuz. It keeps going match start before I can fucking save him.
Do it in the game. Do it in the game and make sure you click save
I
and shit.
know.
Do minor adjustments
Hey.
as you're playing.
Hey, that's a
Danny,
fun.
thank you for the
Fuck
game
you,
controller,
bro.
brother. What you doing, Danny?
Hey, dead man. Dead man. Your team's trash.
Mhm.
How'd you get the dope fucking skin, dude? What the hell?
Round starting soon.
That's just the
You got a
character.
plan?
Prep
That's
time,
just one of
team.
the characters.
Prep time, team. I like that.
Wall fortification complete!
Alright. So I'm like, what's the point of being this little fucking
You
thing?
go around
Find
to
out.
where the bomb sites at,
Time left.
to where they're putting traps down, what they're doing, where they're at, where 5 more seconds to get intel.
They're all just chilling back here. All of them are at spawn. I'm about to go fuck them up. Don't mess with these
Double tap when you
leads.
can.
Scrabble. So what's the B?
The what?
The B is like messing. The fuck? That, oh hell, no, put that shit away. I'm like fucking war, boys. Hey, Sledge, you can't be scared, bruh. You just gotta go in this bitch balls deep. I'm seeing this. Oh, I got green sticky.
I don't like the guy. The guy that I had, that guy's ass.
Yo, watch me play. Watch me play, Iron.
You're out, but we're putting you on support duty.
Watching.
Yeah, watch it. Watch this.
Reloading.
What's up? What's up? What's that? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, you got thirst him? You tell me that. Don't mark me.
He had it.
1 minute left.
Oh, if you get a
Yeah,
headshot, you don't get a thirst.
Retest! Detonating retest! Tango's in sight. Only one enemy
That's the
left.
only gun you have. Don't you have a different gun? That's the gun you want right there, baby. Team of film? What's that mean? Yeah, can you guys hear me okay? Hello? 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 Yeah, what does this do? Can anyone tell me what this does?
If you're not sure about anything, just follow my lead. AV
does
is active
this
in this
do?
sector.
We won the first round.
Loading mag.
Where they at? Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo, 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 woo. What's up? What we all just sitting here for? Am I lagged out? I think I'm lagged out. Oh yeah, I'm lagged out.
Reloading. Cover me.
What the fuck?
No, bro.
I'm lagged out.
Now come back up. Boom, boom, and the
That lagged me out.
Are you back?
I don't know, it says 11%.
Swapping mags.
11% what?
It's just stuck saying loading, please be patient.
I know, right? I'm watching you.
What am I doing?
Enemy spotted.
There's the guy in you.
Do I restart my game? What do I do? It's stuck at 11%.
Keep it tight,
You can
people.
just put it out. Because if you... Oh, I thought you were gonna still get that guy.
One enemy remaining.
I'm at 11%, I'm stuck at the loading screen.
Alright, we gotta play one more. Hopefully it resets it right here.
Oh, yep. Load
You're
back!
good? You're good? You're good or what?
We've got some time before the shooting starts. Use it wisely.
Alright, we gotta play offense, dude. We gotta get this. We can't already take an L, bruh. Get Trout. Trout.
4 seconds.
I don't think it's better than Warzone Mobile. It's just something different to play that just came out today, so I'm just trying it out, my guy.
We've got some bombs to defuse.
What we think about it.
Stay on
Still
target.
early.
Changing mags.
Crafty. Diffuser planted. Keep the enemy away from it. Tango located. Cutting smoke. 30 seconds. Let's go.
No, they defused it? What the fuck? Dude, we let them just go in there and defuse that shit? Oh, yeah. Who the fuck planted it and just even watch this? Still there, dog? I probably got anybody.
The hell, kick me out, man.
I know. Yeah. Hey.
What?
Hey, that planted the bomb to even watch the fucking bomb, bro.
Hey, man. I don't know what the hell's going on with this game, but there's some dope ass skins here. Match start.
Getting the hang of it, though?
Gotta move buttons. Hey, Tally. Your team's no good. I'll bring it back to Halo lobbies. I hope we can talk shit to each other in that screen. There a way?
Rep time, team. Forewarned is
Can I stop grabbing this
Uh,
shit? I do not like this gun.
Yo, your mic's loud as fuck. Lower that mic, man. Lower your mic, dude. You're like echoing shit. I don't like this part. I don't want to be shooting people, man. It's fucking.
I fucking hate this operator, chat. Fucking hate this. What up, Matt? Yeah, this game's tough, huh?
We've got some bombs.
Alright, here we go, chat.
This game ain't nothing. Watch this 1v4.
Remember, we don't need heroes out there.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Let me shoot. Is there friendly fire in this mode?
No.
Damn it. Woo! Little render. Bop, bop, bop. Watch out.
The bomb.
Watch out. Where they at? Where they at? Yeah.
How the fuck did I get there?
Oh,
Oh, there's 3 in the room. What the fuck? These kids are playing.
Where?
their hearts out. These kids are playing their little heart. Oh my god, they're all 4 in the room.
headshot.
4 in one room. That is crazy.
What's this thing do? Ooh, that hurt me.
You're out, but we're putting you on support team. 10 seconds left.
Come on. Come on to Big Daddy's house.
Smoke grenade.
I like this. I like this.
Who's still
I like
alive?
this,
Are you
I like
still
this.
alive?
Hell yeah, I'm still alive. Who this is?
Cannon him. Cannon him. But it died. Oh, you're standing still. What the fuck are you doing?
Hey, hey,
Yeah, what were you doing?
hey. I'm vibing.
You weren't even moving.
I don't have
What
any
do
more
you
ammo.
mean?
I'm figuring my shit out.
What the fucking watching?
You watching them? A legend in the fucking making. Watch this shit.
You weren't even fucking moving. What do you mean, legend in the making?
Oh, my game just disconnected.
Remain on
For
target.
real?
at all-
Oh,
Get some place.
yeah. I went ADS on that dude. My game just disconnected. The hell, man.
What the fuck?
EDD primed. You've got 10 more seconds of prep time.
Did you see that?
Repelling hostiles are in for a surprise.
That's not happening for you?
Enemies on their way. Defend the bomb site.
You'll be good. You'll be back. You can hear me now, though?
Yeah. Your mic's loud as fuck.
Where can you hear me if you...
It has me at a loading screen, says loading, please be patient. 50%.
Reloading.
Fuck. Get off. What the fuck?
Hostiles found!
I like it. Still watching this show?
The last operator. 60 seconds left.
gotta stay alive. This will get me better. I gotta kill everyone instead of just killing 2. I gotta be ready to kill everyone, bro. Come on. I can't wait till the homie tells me who to get. Who's all in here? Chat. Chatty. Chatty. I only had 3 kills. That's ass, chat. I gotta start carrying. That's all there is to it. Oh, we gotta re-invite try. You gotta
Man,
let's get it.
thing fucking
What you
kicked me
doing,
out,
Evan?
man.
Evan, what you doing, bruh? Evan, have you tried it out yet? Have you moved your buttons, messed with anything yet?
Oh, I've been messing with every single game. I was feeling myself from a couple of those leans. That 1v3. What up, Ghost? Hey, man, you hear me? Hey, Agent. What up, Thatcher?
We've got some time to prep before the bullets start flying.
Checking this out. A lot, dude. Lot to learn, bruh. I think it's good.
Oh, I found one. I'm scanning his ass. I scanned his ass. Ooh, he shot me. Ooh, scan his ass. He's scared now. Scan his ass. Ooh, this boy. Ooh, who is this? Eyesight different. He's going to need a chair. Woo! Hey, let's fuck him up.
Alright.
That's all I heard.
Don't touch my stuff.
That was talking about that girl sounds hot.
Loading mag.
What's up? Woo! Okay, it's quick.
There
you go.
Why is this guy camping up there, chat? That
It's
is
quick.
nuts.
Oh wow. Okay,
Oh my,
it's
look
different
at
this game.
version, chat.
Oh, this is different.
That's crazy.
I'm on support duty.
Round's not over yet. You're on support duty.
This is different. We just made a try hard. My first try hard.
Which one?
I'm still over here learning. Dude just double killed us, dude. Fucking
Oh, yeah.
nasty.
Not nasty. He's just sitting in a square box upstairs looking down, just waiting to shoot someone in the
Holding that angle. That's what this game's all about.
If that guy was in our room, I would have shit on him, bro.
That's what it's all about. It's all about holding that angle, though.
I know.
ADS
weird
every
angles.
corner.
I just
Yeah.
don't know the map, so I don't know to look up there.
Like, if you push in this game, you like have to be like a god, dude, to fucking win. I'm scanning. My battery died.
Watching this. Is this guy close this?
Let's see. Oh, watch.